In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Data Science for Business course on Harvard, step by step, so you can enroll confidently and start learning right away. This course is ideal if you want to understand how data science supports real business decisions and how top Harvard faculty approach data-driven strategy. I'll walk you through where to find the course, what it includes, and how to enroll properly. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any modern browser. Once your browser is open, click on the address bar at the top and type in a search query like Data Science for Business Course Harvard. Press Enter to search. You'll see several results, but what you want to look for is the official Harvard or Harvard Business School page that lists the Data Science for Business course. Make sure you're clicking on a legitimate Harvard-affiliated website to ensure the information is accurate and secure. Once you click on the correct result, you'll be taken to the course page on the Harvard website. Take a moment to review the page. This course is taught by Harvard Business School faculty and is designed to help learners align business strategy with data-driven decision-making. The course explains how data science fits into real-world business problems and how leaders can use data to improve outcomes. In particular, the course focuses on how organizations structure and manage data challenges, including applications relevant to industries like healthcare in the United States. Scroll down the course page to explore the details. You'll typically see information about the course overview, learning objectives, instructors, and the format of the program. This helps you understand what you'll gain from the course and whether it matches your professional or educational goals. You may also see details about course duration, workload expectations, and whether the course is self-paced or instructor-led. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page. This button is usually clearly visible near the top or middle of the course listing. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. If you already have an account with Harvard's online learning platform, you'll be prompted to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one using your email address and a secure password. After signing in or creating your account, you'll be guided to the payment section. Here, you'll see the course fee along with any available options or additional details. Carefully review the pricing information to make sure you understand the cost before continuing. When you're ready, enter your payment details and complete the checkout process. Once payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation and the course will be added to your account. After enrolling, you can usually access the course materials immediately or on the scheduled start date. From there, you can begin learning directly from Harvard Business School faculty and start applying data science concepts to real business challenges. And that's it. You've successfully found, enrolled in, and paid for the Data Science for Business course on Harvard. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.